From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your afternoon weather update.
Good afternoon, Kelli Rosson here with your afternoon forecast. We have a lot to get through this afternoon. Severe storms are expected tonight into the overnight hours, so be sure to stay weather aware. We will talk about threats and timing and what we can expect with these thunderstorms all in this weather update. Right now we have a warm front just to our north with plenty of shower activity, even a band of light showers moving through the northern portion of our viewing area within this early afternoon. But overall, this is not the main line that we are concerned with. It is what will be developing near this cold front off to our west as we get through the rest of this afternoon and this evening. We're seeing sunshine already today, which is not the best news. That will add to instability and storm fuel for tonight. So of course we will be here and letting you know exactly what you need to know heading into this thunderstorm event for tonight. As far as the SPC Outlook for tonight, much of our viewing area is in a level 3 out of 5 risk for severe weather. Parts of Limestone County, as well as Morgan County, Lawrence County, as well as just the southeastern tip of Franklin County in the level 2 out of 5. It doesn't matter where you are in the Tennessee Valley, you need to be weather aware for tonight for this line of strong to severe thunderstorms. As far as our thinking, damaging wind gusts up to 50 to 70 miles an hour. In fact, the text product that comes along with this graph mentioned up to 90 mile an hour wind gusts with these thunderstorms. So it is going to be a very windy overnight with this line of storms, and we are definitely concerned with the tornado threat in the main line itself. We could see the lower to mid-end type tornadoes, the EF0 to EF2 type tornadoes associated with a line of thunderstorms. But should any supercell thunderstorms develop ahead of that line, which is still on the table, it is not the main thing that we are concerned with. There's chance remains, but the confidence is low in that happening, but it's not zero. So I want to be clear on that. But if we have supercells develop ahead of this main line, that is going to be a big concern for us as far as tornadoes go. So heading into tonight, be sure to go over your tornado safety plan and know where your safe place is if you have to leave your home or where if you have to take shelter within your home. So be very weather aware for tonight. Again, that supercell risk is still looking uncertain, but like I said, the threat is not zero for that. Let's go ahead and play through future radar for what we can expect. Winds will be howling out of the south. Temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s this afternoon. Wind gusts up to 25 to 30 miles an hour. Even this afternoon before the thunderstorms arrive, we could see gusts up to even 40 miles an hour heading into tonight, into the overnight. Again, not even associated with the thunderstorm. 6 p.m. we are still mainly dry, but we see that line of thunderstorms inching closer into our view off to the west. Temperatures still in the 70s at 6 p.m. And then by the time we get to 9 o'clock, that's when we will start to see that line of storms pop up on our radar here in the Tennessee Valley. You see a few of these thunderstorms that's starting to develop in front of the main line that is back here are what we are going to have to watch very carefully as it interacts with the storm ingredients in place here in the Tennessee Valley. And we will watch for rotation with those thunderstorms before the front or before the main line, as well as with the main line as it moves through. Now, with those storms before the front, if they should develop, it looks to line out and bow out heading into the main portion of our viewing area. However, that is not necessarily a sigh of relief, because that comes with some very, very strong damaging wind threat heading into the rest of this event. So of course the tornado threat is not over once the storms start to line out and bow out, but it is definitely a concern for damaging winds. Again, 50 to 70 miles an hour, up to 90 miles an hour per the SPC wording. And then heading throughout close to midnight, those storms reach Interstate 65, and then they are out of here by 6 a.m. for your Saturday. We could see a lingering shower, but overall the severe threat will be over by about 3 a.m. I can say that. So overall, we start to dry out and calm down significantly for Saturday afternoon. The good news is with this cold front, it's going to be still not as cold as it usually is after a cold front moves through. Temperatures will be in the 70s for Saturday afternoon. In fact, Saturday is looking to be a pretty nice day. I want to reiterate winds with this system coming in tonight. Again, not even associated with the thunderstorm related gusts, but wind gusts up to 40 to 45 miles an hour are certainly possible as this line of storms move through. So we could be definitely talking about some damaging winds and wind damage here in the Tennessee Valley. So it is very important that you have multiple ways to get warnings, especially since we are talking severe storms later into the evening when some of you guys may be going to bed. So of course, download the Tennessee Valley Weather app. It is free in all app stores. You can scan this QR code or take a screenshot with your phone and then go to your Photos app and click on the link that pops up. It is free in all app stores. You will get warnings and you will get any alerts as to whether we go live, and you can watch our live stream there within the app. And of course, make sure your NOAA weather radio has its batteries and it is working properly. That will also alert you and definitely wake you up if you happen to fall asleep and a tornado warning is issued. So be sure to have multiple ways to get warnings, and again, go over your safety plan as we head throughout the evening. As far as the rest of the weekend, Sunday, I think we could see a few rain showers, maybe a rumble of thunder overnight, but overall, nothing to really worry about. And then Monday, Tuesday, and even into Wednesday look dry, although we will see a little bit of cloud cover, but overall a calm start, and mid next week is what we can expect. So at least we will take a little bit of a break from this severe weather. Heading into this afternoon, again, upper 70s to lower 80s with those thunderstorms possible, mainly after 7 or 8 p.m. throughout the Tennessee Valley, of course, moving from west to east, and a little bit warmer into northwest Alabama, northeast Mississippi. Temperatures in the lower to potentially even some mid 80s, but overall I think lower 80s are going to be a safe bet. Here's your 7-day forecast from the Tennessee Valley Weather Center. Again, after the storms move through, Saturday is shaping up to be a pretty nice day. Temperatures in the lower 70s with a mixture of sunshine and clouds. And then for Sunday, again, a 20% chance of rain, mainly in the evening and overnight hours. And then we dry out for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, looking mostly cloudy, and then some rain showers and maybe a storm or two to end out next week. So please stay weather aware this afternoon, this evening. Have a way to get warnings. We will be here fully staffed, and we will be live should we need to, heading into tonight's severe weather event. Thank you for watching and stay safe tonight.